Greetings to all. Today we are going to see about basics of C. I am Elizabeth from CSE department, KALASALINGAM University. So C was originally developed in the 1970s by Dennis Rich at Bell Telephone Laboratories. C is a high-level general-purpose structured programming language. So instruction of C consists of terms that are very closely same to the algebraic expressions, consisting certain keywords such as if, else, for, do, while, if, else. C contains certain additional features, that is, user a low-level language acting as a bridge between machine language and the high languages. So C allows to the user for system programming as well as the application programming. C language consists of some character set, numbers, and some special symbols. The character set of C consists of all the alphabets, that is alphabet A to Z, numeric 0, 1 to 9. The special symbols is nothing but closing brace, open brace, star, asterisk, percentage, everything will be included in the special symbols, and also mode. So the words formed from the character sets are building blocks of C and are sometimes known as the tokens. The token has 5 types. First one is identifiers, second one is keywords, third one is constants, fourth one is operators, and fifth one is the punctuation symbols. So first we will see about the identifiers. So C program consists of 2 types of elements, user-defined and system-defined. So identifier is nothing but it is a name given to this element. So identifier is a word used by a programmer to a name, variable, function, or label. So it is also consists of letters, digits, and also first character or label. So identifier consists of letters, digits also in any order, except the first character must be a letter. It is a rules for identifiers. So both upper and lower case letters can also be used here. So next we will see about the keywords. So keywords is also nothing but it is a system-defined identifiers. So keywords are reserved words of the language. They have specific meaning in the language and cannot be used by the programmer as variable or constant names. So C is a case-sensitive language. So it means, so in uppercase we have to use the uppercase and lowercase means we have to use the lowercase. There is certain conditions will be used in the C language. So 32 keywords we are using in the C language. Some examples I am saying break, case, else, long, switch, enumerator, register, type, definition is all included in the keywords. Next we will see about the variables. So variables is nothing but it is a container of storage area that our programs can manipulate. So according to our users need we can use the variables. So each variable in C has a specific type, so which determines the size and layout of the variable's memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to that variable. So we will see the characters. So a character is nothing but it is a single acted, that means it is an 1 byte, it is an integer type. So integer means that is most natural size of the integer for the machine. So float is a single precision floating point value. Double is nothing but it is a double precision floating point value. And void represents the absence of type. Next, constant. So constant is a value or an identifier whose value cannot be altered in your program. So we cannot change anything. It is only the constant. For example, 1, 2.5 like that we cannot be changed. Then pi also 3.14. So pi is a constant. So basically what it means that pi and 3.14 is the same for this program. Next one is integer constant. Integer constant is a numeric constant without any fractional or exponential part. There are 3 types of integer. First one is decimal constant, second one is octal constant, third one is hexadecimal constant. Floating point constant is a numeric constant that can be either fractional form or an exponent form. Character constant is nothing but it is a single quotation. So whenever you are writing a single alphabetical order, at that time we have to provide single quotation. Next one is a string constant. String constant is enclosed by the double quotes. So there is a difference between character constant and string constant. Character constant means we have to use the single quotation. String constant means we have to use the double quotation while we are using a single alphabetic or group of letters. Next, escape sequence. It is necessary to use the character which cannot be typed or has special meaning in C programming. For example, if you are using enter, tab, question mark, etc., it is also known as the escape sequence. So a lot of escape sequence is used in the C language. Backspace, form field, new line, return. Like this, it is known as the escape sequence. Next, operators in C. Operator is a symbol which operates on a value or a variable. So we are having a lot of operators in C language. First one is arithmetic, increment and decrement, assignment, relational, logical, conditional, bitwise, special operators. So first, plus means addition or unary plus, minus means subtraction or unary minus, hashtag means multiplication, slash means division, modulo means which we are making division at that time, the remainder is known as the modulo. Increment and decrement operators. So C programming has two operations, one is increment and another one is the decrement, to change the value of an operand by 1. So when we are making an increment, we have to use plus 1. Suppose we are using decrement means we have to use the minus 1. So increment plus increases the value by 1, whereas decrement minus decreases the value by 1. These two operators are unary operators, meaning that only operate on a single operand. For example, plus, suppose I am giving A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 100. Suppose I am saying plus A, it is an pre-increment, so it is known as 11. Minus B means we are going to decrement, that is 99. So assignment operator is used for assigning a value to a variable. The most common assignment operator is equal to, A equal to B, plus equal to, minus equal to. These are the examples for C assignment operators. And then C relational operators is nothing but equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to. Everything will be included in the C relational operators. Thank you. நான் அதை பார்க்க விரும்பல